All right, today I have a Nissan Frontier, and I'm going to show you how to open the fuel door and gas cap, as well as close the fuel door and gas cap on this particular Nissan Frontier. You're going to need to know this because there's going to come a time where you need to refuel your car, and you'll need to know how to open up the fuel door and gas cap. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting inside of the Nissan Frontier. In order to open up the fuel tank or the fuel door and gas cap, what you'll do is, I have my vehicle in park. I am going to turn the vehicle off. You want to make sure you're on a flat level service before you're doing this, because you want the car to be off and on a flat service before you add gas, fuel. And so I did that, and now I'm going to open the car door, and I'm gonna walk towards the back of the vehicle. All right, and so now that I'm in the back of the vehicle, you see this door right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger, slide it in, and then I'm gonna open it like that. Now, once it's open, I'm going to see this gas cap right here, and there's some words on it. You should read this before operating, okay? And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna spin it counterclockwise. And now it's open. I can go ahead and fuel up my vehicle. Fuel up the vehicle, make sure I have enough gas in it to get to where I'm going. And when I'm done, I'll take this, I'll close it back like that, wait for the click, and then shut the door. And that is how you open and close the gas cap on this particular Nissan Frontier. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.